Good morning and afternoon. It is Thursday. Yeah, I'm just sitting here hanging out. I'm off work now, and I am having this little bit of lunch. For those who know me close, this is very awkward. I'm having a salad. Anyways, I just wanted to try a salad again, and I put some like jalapeno ranch dressing on it, and honestly, it's not really that bad. I think it'd be even better with like maybe some hot chicken tenders like cut up in there. That'd be great. But it's good. Hello, Puck. Hi. How are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyways, gonna try and see if I like it and keep eating it and watch some vlogs. So yeah, I think we're going to IKEA tonight to order the rest of the stuff for when we move. Couch, bed, the works. So we'll see, I guess. Right, Puck Puck? We are not even in the official... Are we in the official summer yet? It's not even officially summer.
I don't know, but it looks like it's the end of the world.
It does look like it's the end of the world. It's turning red.
I know.
That is the blackest sky I've seen in a while. I mean, given it hasn't been like rainy season, but holy crap. That is intense. Dark as shit. Cool sky is cool. We are on the way to IKEA. Again. Well, I think it's like again. And
if I never have to go back there, I think it would be too soon.
No, this should be the last time. At least for a little while. Because we're gonna order everything that we need and be done with it. That looks cool. That looks cool. It looks like the rain's like falling from like behind the clouds.